good to me.
And once the lines do cross, then I think we can start seeing that bull trend. But it's we're in the gray area, as they say at the moment.
I wanted to dip. I just got some more dry powder all together. I'm ready. I'm buying down.
I'm being an ass just thinking about myself, man, and I wanted to dip.
Yeah, I do. Mm. I'm buying small increments on the way down, and then you know,
I think
riding on up.
I think we done with the dip though, according to this little schematic that I had wrapped around and printed out. We at the
No,
apex of the dip. We anybody that missed that, what was that shit? 37.2? Anybody missed that? That was it.
no. Come on, one more time. I heard a double bottom last night or some shit like that.
He's all like, "Come on, man."
Come on, I swear. I'm finna load up on Polkadot, Link, ADA, and Solana. I should have got in at 85.
I could have sworn I thought I heard somebody said double bottom.
Right. I know I heard that last night. 2, 3 times. Double bottom.
Oh, man. I think short time frame we're gonna go back up maybe to like the 45s. I would say 40 anywhere from 44 to 46, but we could come back down after that. I just gotta get back home and check my damn chart. Really fucking do shit with this damn chart. Not like the ones at home is gonna tell me anything different. Oh, man. On the daily, it does look good though, man. On the daily, the EMA, that 365 or 4, it's going sideways. So it's not pointing down, it's not pointing up. So that's good on the yearly EMA.
Good morning.
Mr. Hooligan, you were born in the dark.
Good night for me, bro. 3 a.m. here. I'm fucking like a zombie here.
Motherfucker, you sound like a zombie.
Man, bro. If you can see for my face area right now, bro, my eyes almost fucking falling. Look, I'll be quickly. I just posted on Real Chat a video about cron nodes, cron CRN, and I'm gonna post the swap too. Have a look, Doctor. You the one that likes long terms and passive income. It's a pretty new swap. I'm still reading and researching. I know some friends that jump on it and they are read by nodes. With these Chrome nodes, you can buy nodes. And if you own a node, you're gonna be receiving 1 CRN every day for the rest of your life. Doesn't matter how much is CRN. Right now it's $30. Can be a penny, can be 100, can be 300, but you're gonna be receiving 1 CRN every day. Have a look. It's pretty interesting project. I'm too tired to jump on it right now because it's through swaps, but I'm probably gonna do it in the morning. Probably gonna finish reading and researching, and probably gonna be buying a node or two.
Yeah, that's the second time I heard about that right there. I'll take a look. Take a look at it later as I'm driving. Probably put it in the background so I can hear it like an audio tape type of deal.
it's a pretty new project too. Only 1 month, and I'll tell you the CRN was $2 20 days ago.
You fixing ready to call it a day or what, Hooligan?
Sorry.
So you're fixing to call it a day already over there where you're at? Like it's nighttime and stuff. You can go to bed.
Yeah, bro. I'm just finishing packing up. I'll be going soon. It's
Where are you
2:20.
going?
Yeah. Bed. Sleep.
You going to
2:20.
Beirut?
Bed. To bed. To sleep.
Oh, hey, okay. I was like, oh, wait, what? Where you going? I'm just trying to figure out what Bitcoin's going to do right now.
America woke and start buying BTC. BTC is reacting right now.
Yeah, I had a good little dip, and it's starting to. It wants to come back up. On the hourly, it looks nice. Volume looks pretty good too, especially on that previous candle. The volume was at 6 mil. One before that was 3, and the one before that was negative. Just looking pretty good.
Can you see this V shape?
I want to
That
try.
is forming in an hour.
I want to try 41 too.
You see this V shape that forming in an hour? I'm always happy when I see that. If you zoom out a bit, you can see that it's kind of V shape. The price kick it down, and went up. I always think that's very healthy. Bullish health. Not bullish, but you know, there's some pressure. There is some good buy pressure on it to react quickly for any further dump.
Yeah, because I mean, we had a good little phase that we completely went sideways for a couple of hours right before the hump and the.
On the hourly, I got the 200 at 41 too. I'm looking for a test in that area.
Yeah, because I got that sucker at 46.87, but I got 187 days, I believe, instead of the 200. I got that puppy up there. I'm trying to go back to the charts to see where I can find another pattern like with this.
Also, Doctor, do you remember that I think I mentioned with you about the Reno F1 token that they were launching through Binance? The Alpine coin. Did I mention it yet?
No, I don't think so. I'm trying to remember if about that discussion, but I don't think.
I could stake and participate on the pool, and on this participation, I was able to buy some Alpine as a pre-sale, and I'm up on this trade 675%.
God damn. That's a good one. They're good shit. I mean,
now, baby.
If you go to the 4-hour, that dip candle and this new candle, from wick to wick, they're pretty identical. Body of this candle is at the 38, but at 39.3, it is going to be identical. Last time we had that type of dip.
That would be a bullish engulfing if it pulled that off.
Oh. It wants to make its way back. We got 33 minutes left on that candle, on the 4-hour candle, so it could eat it up towards the very end.
That'd be a beautiful 11 o'clock power hour.
Oh, yeah. Come on. I found it. I think I found it. All right, so if you go to the 4-hour, that same dip that we have going on right now on the hourly, you can see it over here on the 4-hour, and then there's an uptrend that goes up. And it looks very similar to what we got going on right now, but you got to switch from the 4-hour to the 1-hour, because if you go to the 4-hour to the right side, you won't see it, but if you go to the hourly, you'll see that dip. Yeah, it looks very similar.
So in 4 hours, we're gonna do the same thing.
Not necessarily, because we are already coming up to the 30-minute on that candle, so it's doing that algo, but on a shorter time frame. If that makes sense. Hey, let me see if I can try to. Let me take a photo here real quick. Watch. So I'm doing this shit on my screen. Hey, here. Save. Now let's go to the 1-hour.
On my sign line chart, even though we made a dip, we turned into a doji fly. So that'd be a dragonfly doji hammer. Every candle bottle closed above the bottom of the sign line. Might have wicked through it. So I believe we hold. 372 should have been the bottom.
372 should be the bottom, so that means we can go to 373.
Ain't nothing wrong with putting the bottom right there. Wicks happen all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about right here. Watch. I'm posting the photos in general here real quick. So on the first one, I believe that's the 4-hour. You see that dip over there, that circle to the left? And then you got the one now on the hourly to the right. Now, mind you, if you were to switch back to the hourly on the top one, that little hump is going to be bigger, like this hump over here on the bottom.
Your screen ain't up, Nova.
What was that?
Your screen ain't up.
No. I put it in general in the photos.
He took a photo of it, yeah.
My way.
And they both came from the top down, if you notice.
Yes, sir. Hello.
So it's like what Darrell was saying. Yeah, that could have been the bottom there, and we could see a little maybe pump going back up. And I'm just going off a previous algo, so I mean, it could fucking change on us at any given moment, boys. Just be careful.
Excuse me.
Has anybody heard from London, man? She's been MIA. Let me send her a message.
No.
Yeah, that right there is a spitting image.
Right?
That's where we at. That's the action.
Yeah, because I mean, they both came from the up down. They did their little thing that they needed to do there, and then did, and they came back up.
You could probably see that pattern on like the 5 and the 1. Tendies, that's the tendy call. That's not the 4 call.
Diddy ding, diddy ding.
Back to 39,000.
Mum. You man.
It is snowing over here. Is it snowing over there where you guys are at, Darrell?
No, sir. Sunny, 50 degrees. You guys is turning to suffer.
Snowing over here. 32. And got a good blanket of snow.
Where you at?
Out here in Utah still. And Provo, I believe it's called. They're working on the load right now. Can't wait to get home. I tried to set up my Coinbase, but Donnie was telling me that I don't need Coinbase for that for those 15, 20x trades. I couldn't catch what he was talking about afterwards because my phone kept coming in and out. But I think I'm gonna do it on Qcoin. I already got Qcoin, by the way.
CoinX.
CoinX. There we go. That's
You must want a link. Let me get you a personal invite here.
yeah. Send it to me on private message. I have it there. That's the one I need.
Copy.
gonna be needing that for hopefully Saturday, man. If we get good weather down there for the barbecue, fucking cam up. Start fucking rolling the dice with this motherfucker. Oh. That's perfect. Was like, nah, man, don't do that. I was mad. I was like, we're just rolling the dice, dude. If it works, it works.
See, the algorithm ain't failed yet.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to catch it on that Wii, and then beepity boppity boop after that.
See, if you check the chart right now on the hourly, I think I can find the Wii phase that happened last night. 3 in the morning it started, and it did the Wii.
Yeah.
Half hour, you can see it better.
Yeah. See, that would have been a good fucking little run right there, man, on that fucking hill.
Man. Be right there, my dress. The kids real quick.
What's going on, gentlemen?
What's up? What's up?
Oh man, just heading over here to do another burial.
Oh.
Keep an eye on these later time frames. I really want to see these things close in, I think it's like 7 days or so. I want to see where this candle falls. I mean, if it closes anywhere above 36K, we're looking like a maybe this is the bottom. On the freaking monthly and the weeklies looking pretty good. The MACD on the looking real clean. Yeah, I think if I was a hedge fund investor, I'd be seeing those later time frames and trying to get all my buddies lined up like ducks.
Trying to see the action, that bowl. Seeing it everywhere. Seeing it on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, the daily. Let's go daily. Yeah, it's there. I gotta try to piece that shit together now. See what it all means.
Everything's falling in line.
It's all part of the master plan.
Seriously, if I do see in 7 days that candle close above where I really hope it should close, I might just buy a bunch of freaking Shiba as well.
What are you thinking? What are you thinking? 45? Are you thinking of 45 maybe? If it closes on.
I haven't really marked out where it could go yet, but I sure as hell think if it closes above that 36, we're looking good to start mapping it out. We're finally able to see some sort of patterns starting to form with Bitcoin on these later time frames because we had that that major pump and then we had that dump and then it found some support on, and it's starting to actually show like, it's starting to actually look like a damn chart for a change, you know?
Yeah, there's some interesting stuff going on right now, and what making that W. I'm looking at your chart, Darrell, and that looks like a big ass W. Hey, hold on there.
I'm trying to think of the name of this one. Trading, trading strategy. I can't remember what the hell it's called. Damn it! It would work really well here. I have to think.
What are you using on the trading strategy on short time frames or like a longevity gameplay or what?
I haven't used it myself yet, but it would be really it has all the points of contact where you would need to use a, what the hell is it called? I gotta think. It's like basically like a 7 point thing. You know, you got your first move, and then if it finds its high, comes back down. That's number 3, and then it comes up and makes a new high. That's the 4th point. Comes down and finds support on that low, and then you can kind of like map out the next move. I forget say what the fuck is that called? I think some people call it A B C D E F G or something like that, but other people call it.
Oh yeah.
There's a name for it.
I think it's called Fatty. Isn't that right up your wheelhouse? That one that you were talking about a while back ago? What the hell is the name? It's not the Wyckoff.
It's kind of like
Elliot.
The Elliot. There you go. Is it the Elliot? The Elliot wave. Yeah, I've been trying to find a pattern for like the monthly pattern, and I'm gonna see if I can maybe try to find it on the daily, or not on the daily, maybe on the 4 hour. I think I could use the 4 hour for that monthly pattern. I might just purchase the fucking trading view, man, because I need to use that 6 hour, the half a day shit instead of using the full day or the quarter of a day.
I don't purchase the trading view. What do you like? I mean, I guess there's a lot of good things that you can do with it, like back test and shit like that. It's really cool.
I've been wanting to get it just to mess around with it a little bit more. I see Darrell, he's able to go into like the seconds and stuff, and I'm only limited to like the 1 minute. So I was thinking about getting it and messing around with it and see if it.
Just keep doing the free trial too, if you don't mind, dealing with it every month, just making a new email and shit. How much is the price for that?
Yeah, I know. I was about to say, how much is it for like the whole year? I think it's like I don't even know how much it is.
It's like 120 or something, like, if I remember correctly.
For the full year?
I think so.
Oh, that's not bad. I thought it was gonna be like around 300 and something bucks or something. You gotta look it up.
Yeah, that shit costs a couple hundred if you want the seconds.
Couple of hundred for the year or for the month?
Couple hundred for the year for the second charge.
Oh, okay.
But if you don't get it, they'll keep on sending you discounts every week or every month or something like that, saying, "Hey, we'll give you 60% off."
Yeah, that's what I was seeing. I think I was referencing a discount price I've seen. You'll get all kind of deals recommended to you. Use the thing every couple of days or whatever. You'll see deals pop up. Hey, here you go.
I'm just gonna purchase like a 3-year plan and then call my debit card or the bank and tell them that somebody made an illegal purchase. Get that tip for free.
One of my coworkers used to always he would order so much money or so much stuff, and then he would call the bank and then tell them he wants his money back and he didn't spend it. And then he would cancel the bank, and then he would sell all the crap he got from Amazon. Hey, that boy's going to jail sooner or later. That ain't gonna keep going.
I was about to say, yeah, they probably already have a case on his ass. They're looking at his ass.
I know he did some real shady shit with his taxes this year too. He's getting back like 20 grand. Like, give me a break, dude. No way. I don't know what he did to get that much money. He was claiming fucking neighbor kids or something.
I got a phone call, boys. I'll be right back.
Yeah, that boy must have been claiming the neighbor kids.
I can get you back 20 grand legally.
Yeah, that's madness, dude. Is it mainly the kids that bumps up the your overall return, or is it other aspects of it? I think I'm gonna try to make I'm gonna try to start my own little business, and maybe start claiming all my everything I spend, every little expense is gonna get freaking wrote off. Little mowing company or something.
Yeah, anybody that got that 20 grand back, they ain't claiming their stimulus, so they claiming their stimulus now. You get a bunch of perks and rewards for that shit. But I ain't telling you my secrets. Come to my tax office. I do all 50 states.
Oh shit. That's what's up. What do you think, DeReal? Do you think we can, if we stay above this 36K range and make that monthly candle close above that of this range, we can maybe find some blow up?
I don't think we're going no lower than we already went this morning.
I don't think so either. Because look how fast we whipped back. I mean, we hit 36 and then we came right back up to 38. So I mean, there's no way in hell no one's gonna let us get below 36. I don't think. Yeah, we got like 7 days, man. So that freaking candle closes on the monthly, and that's gonna look so clean on the charts. And the MACD on the weekly just looks so clean.
Yeah, the coldest one in there.
Say that's cold winter.
Yeah, no, I don't like the gully cold in the drink.
All right, I'm back. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, D-Wack is supposed to go live today, isn't it? Or the beta?
Truth Social is live.
Oh, snapperoo.
iPhone users can find it in the Apple Store.
Oh, you got it already?
I'm not an Apple user. I don't use my Apple phone though, so.
I gotta wait till the Android version comes out.
Yeah, I don't think he gonna delay it. He ain't gonna delay it that long though. He want everybody to have that shit.
Yeah, that's gonna be pretty dope.
What is it?
Truth Social.
Trump social media.
I don't know nothing about that. I know I've been trying to get all my friends to use Signal instead of Messenger lately.
Signal is owned by the Fed. That's why won't nobody use it.
I don't know. Yeah, nobody wants to use it. I mean, Elon Musk, I think, runs it, right? And he doesn't give
No.
the cops,
The
cops
Feds,
trying to get
the FBI uses Signal. Where everybody uses Telegram. That's why they pushing for the Truth Social, Gab. That's why they shut Parler down, but I think Parler back now. Trying to direct everybody to Signal, which people caught on. Telegram made by the Russians. That's why Telegram is open and free.
I know there was a they tried to say that there was a breach, there was a story that came out where someone was using Signal and they got like arrested and they were like, oh yeah, we got new Signal, no problem, and acting like they have all the data. But as far as I know, the guy didn't have the freaking password on his account, or they used his password to get into his account. So I don't know if it actually was breached or not.
Fair warning, stay away from Signal.
You think the feds can get in there whenever they want?
The feds own Signal. I keep telling you the same word.
Oh, sorry, can't hear very well.
The Fed owns Signal. Stay the fuck away from it.
Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Get yourself that Trump social media, baby.
Fair warning.
Hey, it's on Google.
See, it's on there. Cause about like
It's on
8 o'clock this morning, it went on there, so it's on there now. It's on.
It's called the Mega Hub True Social Trump, I believe.
It's going down there.
I
Really?
just went on to the App Store on my Android. It's on here. It's the Mega Hub True Social Trump, I believe. That's
Share
what
the
it's
link.
called.
Share the link. I might try to put it on the computer.
Yes, sir. Get it. Let's go, baby. Come on, D-Wade.
I need it installed right now. Let me check it out. Here.
No, that's not it, D-Wade.
No?
No, that's been on for like a month.
Oh, is that right?
Ah, shit, D-Wade. You just got hacked, dude. God damn it.
Damn, I thought it was that one.
Yeah, I need to go to
Exit out, D-Wade. Exit out,
Got it.
D-Wade.
He just downloaded a Trojan. Whoopsie.
Oopsie. I cancel it.
Oh, shit.
Hey, don't feel bad. I downloaded Signal.
Way to go.
That boy's been being tracked by the feds for like 3 months.
I was wondering who kept bringing up my porn pictures. No kidding.
Like, why does it keep sending me messages that I need to file my taxes? I'm gonna have to move and do that. Looking at Jack Scrap's profile pic yesterday, and it's one of those where like you go to like the fair or the piers or whatever. There's a dude drawing, and he draws you out. I thought it was pretty cool. Actually, want to go ahead and get mine done now and use it as a profile pic. See how I look. I'll be looking for one. The finger. Ring, ding, ding, ring, ring, ding, 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 ring, ding. California knows anybody. California knows anybody. Let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West. F-250. Oh, look at you, sir. Look at you. Ooh, that's nice.
Oh hell, you just woke up. What is the yawning all about?
I'm over here rapping, D-Wave. Fucking rapping
Yeah.
it up.
You're rapping and yawning at the same time. What the hell?
I
You
got the
slept
damn
early last night too.
Yeah.
And you sitting there and yawning and stuff. What the hell?
Hey, it gets tired of fucking making money, dude. Jesus.
Oh shit. Tired of making money or tired of not making money?
Tired of making money, man.
Oh. Well, make some more, pay for gas on the way home.
That's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting for that last load so I can get my ass back home. Put a dino ribs on the grill. Now you know. Oh.
That's a hell of a plan right there. You know?
Yeah.
Treat yourself something, you know? It's been on the road for like 3 weeks now.
This week is gonna be 3 weeks, so depending on when I get home. I'm thinking I should be home by Wednesday. Wednesday.
So are you looking for a load that need to be delivered to Texas or what?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Something cool. Loads I could go back home.
There you go. Pay for gas or diesel in your truck.
Yeah, around $1,200 worth of diesel to get back home. I ain't trying that. That's money I could fucking be using for crypto.
Hell yeah. Yep.
So as it is, I already deposited more money in Robinhood. I deposited some money on Crypto.com. Put some more money on Weeble. Put some more money on the other wallet to swap. Already got a few coins. I just been stacking depositing to see if this shit does dip. So I am stacked up right now. I've got a lot of dry powder, but I don't want to get caught again.
So you're waiting for the bottom.
Well, I still got my buying orders. You know how we talked about the 40, the 30, the 20, but
Yeah.
I mean, if this sucker does fucking flop down to what they would say Bitcoin would be somewhere around like the 16,000, then I want to try to pick up like 2 full Bitcoins and a shitload of Ethereum too, man. So,
Dude, that would be nice.
or maybe just 1 Bitcoin. I got to try to figure out how much I'm willing to lose if this does fucking go belly up. You know, I ain't trying to fucking lose like 80 to 100K, man, on a fucking on a dice.
Yeah. Shoot. If it go down 16, I'm gonna get 1 Bitcoin.
Yeah, I think.
1 is enough for me.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of. 1 or 2, man. But that other 2 one, I'm really fucking like playing with fucking. I'm dancing with the devil at that point, you know,
Yeah.
because it's going back down south like that. I mean, is it gonna come up? It should, but regulations and all that shit might scare some people off too as well. So I'm just trying to pay attention overall to the whole market, not just the charts. Trying to see what the
I
news.
say buy 1. You know, I'll do like buy 1 at 16. Buy another one if it dropped to 10 or below that.
No.
I'm playing it safe.
Yeah, that's what
I'll
I'm trying to
go
do.
all in on Bitcoin. If you look at it, you know, turn around and go up, right? You take the profit, swing over to Ethereum. You still should have time to buy it at low and would gain. I can't put everything on a Bitcoin.
No, I got enough to spread the love on coins and stuff, and mandatory. There's 5 major players in I think in the crypto, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum. You got Doji. I mean, regardless of what people think about Doji, I think Doji is a big fucking player, dude. I mean, it has Elon, so that type of catalyst, I mean, just fucking excels that coin in itself, dude.
Yeah.
Just on Litecoin as well. And some Ethereum Classic, man. I mean, again, those are good little percentage run-ups that Ethereum Classic, I think, is capable of.
Yeah.
We just gotta wait and see what this market does. But no, I'm just throwing some money in there just to have it there. So if it does fucking hit, you know, I'm not fucking fumbling in there to fucking add money and wait a couple of days and whatnot.
Yeah.
Better be ready. Worst comes to worst, if I need to use that money, I'll just get it out. But I'm fine and dandy right now.
Yep.
It's the waiting game.
It's a waiting game.
And I ain't got nothing but time on crypto, baby. I'm not in a hurry whatsoever, so I ain't got nothing but time. See where
Yep. That's a good thing when you had dry powder and the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have to wait and see.
Yeah, it's gonna be adding a little bit here, a little bit there as it goes by.
I'm seeing Doges above the 200 from the 1 to the 5 minute. So I'm keeping it tracking it now. Just to,
God
if
dang.
it stays in that.
What's up, Doc?
Oh, what up, man? Just chill with the
Where
family.
you been?
I'm just with my family, dude. I'm always busy with that stuff. I got a lot of kids and shit going on here. I try to relax when I can and hang out, but often life keeps me getting tugged around. But I just came upstairs and checked the chart, and I just noticed that Doge on the 1 minute was already breaking out over the 200 EMA, and then I put it on the 5 minute, and it is as well. And it doesn't show it on the 15 yet. So if it keeps moving its way out, it'll be good to see. So just something to keep your eye on. I don't know. I'm assuming Bitcoin's doing the same thing, but I just had looked at that on the Dogecoin. So if you start getting confirmations moving out of breakouts of the 200, that's going to bring that move everybody's waiting for on the higher time frames.
Gotcha.
I just switched over my EMAs again right now. I moved my 30 day to 90 day. So now I have the 90, the 180. Oh, yeah, the 182. No, you know what? Let me get a better read. Hold on. Where's my calculator? Clear 365 divided by 4. Okay, 91. I gotta switch it to the 91, not 90. 91. Okay. All right, there you go. So now I got the 91, the 182, and the 365 on the EMA. So I got the 3 month, 6 months, and the yearly. Yeah, that 30 day stuck balls. It wasn't doing shit.
It is what it is.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Yep. So hopefully you'll London chime in because she's been away a couple of days, man. Hopefully everything is okay.
I sent her a message to see if she was okay, so I'm waiting for her to get back to me. And she's been, I think, second day already, 2 days. She's been MIA.
Mm-hmm. Yep. It's been 2 days already. Have to wait and see.
Yeah, Sonia. That's kind about it. Can that Sonia?
Hopefully, she's not offended by us always saying something about her mic, because that's not our fault.
Did anybody say anything? What?
No, I mean, it just seems like every day somebody has to say something, but like,
Oh.
hopefully she doesn't take offense to it. We're just, she can't hear her own background and we can. So it's like,
Yeah, I noticed she gets a little offended every now and then.
well, for the people that leave their computers open, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to mute anybody, like, 'cause if they got something to say, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'd like to hear what they have to say, like, but like, I don't want to hear a bunch of keys rattling for 3 hours straight. You know what I'm saying?
Patty, did you mute her?
No, I didn't. I just, I do on my side sometimes, like, because I leave my computer open. It's in my living room. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't. That I'm not gonna say it's a pleasing sound all the time. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. If anything, we can blame on Fatty, right, Doc?
Oh yeah, it's all your fault, Patty. Jesus Christ, thank you for scaring
Well,
away
no,
London.
because I just won't say it, like, because I feel like I've said it a few times, but like, and then other people will say it too. Like, I just, like I said, like, I'll just mute her on my side and just let it go, I guess, or turn it all the way down, and then
Hey,
check it every. I'll check
you
it
don't have
every
to
hour or two, and it'll still be going on. What was that?
You got to. Yeah, so you don't have to explain anything to us, buddy. You got to explain to her.
Well, like, I mean, she wouldn't know that I turned her down. Is the thing, like, I'm turning her down on my side. I'm not turning it down for y'all.
Just bullshitting with you, but yeah, no, she does. She'll keep it on for a good while, and I for the most part, I try to catch myself every now and then when I'm not saying nothing, or I know I'm not gonna say anything for a while. I'll just mute my mic.
Right, and that's the thing is, like, if you're not in the immediate conversation, you would normally mute yourself.
Yeah. She does get pissy though. I noticed several times already. She'll get pissed off, and she's like, "Well, you guys have it on, and we don't say shit."
But it's like when you're if you're the person talking and like you hear noise, you think somebody else is trying to say something, so you'll stop so they can say something, but it's just background noise, and you don't, you know what I'm saying? You don't know that, so like you're interrupting conversation that's not, you know what I'm saying, for no reason. But and then also like the feedback, I think her volume's just too high, and it feeds into the microphone a lot of times.
Yeah.
But like I said, I know how to fix it on my side, so like I just do. And like, unfortunately, if she tries to say anything to me, I might not hear because I have it turned down. But I don't want it to be that way, because I do check on it all the time. Like, I'll say, well, let's just check again, and I'll turn it back up, and then it's still, a lot of noise. But
Like the other day with Elon, how he had the real muted. He kept talking over him, and I'm over here thinking in my head like, man,
I do that. I also have to do it for drill too. But like, I check, like I say, I check it all the time. But like,
I'm like, man, I was like, isn't this guy Kenny here the real or what? He just keeps talking over him. It is fucking snowing like a mother. Here, let me take a photo for y'all real quick, man. All right. See. Go. Look at this motherfuckers. Yeah, look how snowy it is over here. It's been like this all morning.
It's wet.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's just good, you know. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, get a little blanket of snow.
Yeah.
A good little blanket of snow. Bum 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 bum. I got look at that. He got the back end of his truck full of snow.
I think we all need to let her inbox.
What did you do wrong, Wave? What did you do wrong?
Not a damn thing. Just thinking, I think we should all flood her inbox, check up on her, see how she's doing.
Yeah, I sent her a message, so yeah, that'll be nice if she opens it up and everybody messages her.
Yep.
So I guess we got a simple band of misfits. We'll reach out to Clive. Clive, can you send London a message? She's down.
Or Tim.
I sure have a cow. Fuck you.
Yep. If I remember right, I think Sal, he said he's over the Clive shit last night.
It sounded like it to me.
Yeah. I think he's over it. I was going to say something, but, since he's coming to reality, I didn't inject what I was going to say last night. I just let it go.
I noticed he was pushing a little bit the stocks, though.
Yeah. He did.
But I don't know, because everybody has the right to push whatever they need, You can either take his word for it, and if it helps you trading, why not?
Yep.
I think that's what we're here for, is to trade. Not secrets, because they're not secrets. It's more of information.
Fuck that, no. Fuck that. We turning this bitch into a cult. It is secrets. We're not giving no more secrets out.
About time. About time.
Motherfucker.
You gotta have a code card to come in, huh, Darrell?
That'd be great.
You just gotta drink blood and howl at the moon or some shit, I think.
Yeah.
Ow! Do we have to kill a baby too?
No, we need to start with a rooster. Cut the neck and drink the blood.
Yeah, start small, all right? Baby steps for us.
Just start small now, Doc. What the hell wrong with you, man?
I don't know. I don't even know why I said that, dude, to tell you the truth. What the fuck?
Exactly. Is the weather getting into you over there?
I meant to say, do we have to sacrifice a baby? Because, that's what all the elitists do.
No. Usually they don't sacrifice a baby. They sacrifice the virgin. So.
Hell no. I'll take the virgin with me here.
Up here in Salem, Mass, they used to burn thousands of women, dude. Thousands of women. Salem witch trials. Look it up. Shit's crazy.
Yep.
Oh, I read something about that they were saying, well, if she's a witch, she'll float out of the water, but if she ain't, she's just a dead person. I'm like, motherfucker.
Oh, oops, wrong one. Next, we got to move on to the next one, huh?
Yeah,
Go find those.
That well, she didn't float out of the water. Well, goddamn.
My
That's too
bad.
late. Let's go get
Let's
Ingrid.
move. Yeah, let's move on to the next one.
Oh man.
Oh man, we gotta leave the baby out. Go for the virgin. Go find a virgin and sacrifice that one.
I don't know, man. Can't we just sacrifice like an ugly chick or something?
Go find a fat woman.
Take one for the team, you mean?
Yeah.
Shoot. Well, why not the virgin, Doc? Unless you're still a virgin.
No, like, why would you want to sacrifice somebody that hasn't really experienced life?
Why would you want to sacrifice a baby then?
I don't know. I just said it because of fucking what I see on TV. Well, we should sacrifice this lot lizard. That's what I think we
You
should do.
actually live with too much TV then.
We should sacrifice lot lizards.
If she ain't 280, she ain't a lady.
There we go.
Oh gosh.
Oh man.
You know what? At an adult and you're still a virgin, something is not right. So you know what? Hell, I'll sacrifice your ass. I'm not saying you. I'm just saying overall.
Hold on. I was about to say, hold on. There's people that are still virgins. You know, you gotta respect their decisions too, D-Wave.
Oh yeah, I am respecting
Fucking
it.
looks like
I'm
it's
giving
snowing.
them time to better hurry and get shit together, or else they're gonna be. I'll be hanging them on whatever it is,
It looks like it's snowing there.
Where?
Your picture.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
Go rent a damn ATV for the day or some shit.
Right?
Got to be an
Right now?
ATV park somewhere. Snowmobile or something. Go cut it up.
Do something,
Well, the
Doc.
thing is, I can't really leave the truck and trailer unattended because of the equipment that I have, like the chains, binders, tarps, and all that shit. They'll steal that shit. Other truckers fucking steal that shit quick, dude. And then especially crackheads, man, they just see his fucking money when they see chains.
Yep, it's metal. It's theirs.
Yep. That's why I can't
Hey,
really leave the truck unattended for far too long.
Hey, Doc, do you have cameras around your trucks?
I mean, the ones that come with the vehicle, nothing that's recording.
But you don't have any around, like, stage around your property, like your truck trailers and stuff?
Or like on the truck, or like at the ranch or at the yard where we have the stuff.
No, I'm talking about on your truck, like the one that you in right now.
No, nothing that records and that keeps recording. No, it's just like the gooseneck camera in the back, the side cameras type of deal. Nothing that's really recording.
Oh.
Yeah. No. Last night I saw somebody through the fucking windows. They were like around the fucking truck and shit, dude. So I fucking went outside and shit. I opened the door, walked out towards the fucking truck, and I put my gun on me, like to the point where it was visible that they could see that shit, and I acted like I was getting something from the truck. But no, woke up, everything was still intact. Every now and then you gotta fucking brandish that gun, man, 'cause these fucking crackheads, dude, I tell you, they'll fucking take all your shit. They'll leave you on blocks. That's how bad these motherfuckers are. It's always a fucking doozy, man. Like even at that, like at the hotels, if I can't get a room where I can see my truck, I won't even fucking get it, dude. Like, 'cause I got like what? I got like 12 sets of chains. I got like 8 to 10 binders. Mind you, each fucking binder, dude, is fucking like $80.
Well, they got you up like you pushing kilos or something.
Hey, keep it down, man. Bro.
Got you up all night, won't even band in the truck.
Damn. I dropped it off. I just gotta worry about the money. Make sure it makes it safe home. Yeah, dude, you gotta fuck. Now, yeah, the tank in the back is like $400, dude. So they'll fucking siphon that diesel fucking right away. Especially if they have like the right tools, they could siphon that fucking diesel, dude, in less than like a minute. And it's happened to me twice already, where they fucking took all my diesel and shit. You gotta be vigilant. It's the wild, wild west up at this motherfucker. And they think they're slick sometimes. Sometimes they'll be at the fucking like at a truck areas and literally fucking straight up crackheads. They're trying to make it seem like it's their truck, like their semis and shit, dude. And yeah, you gotta fucking call them out sometimes, dude. Like, hey, is this your fucking truck? And they'll say like, yeah, this is my truck. And but the way you'll fucking catch them in the lie is you tell them the truck number and the trailer number. Like, since we know more or less where the numbers are at, they don't know that shit, dude. So they get caught off guard. They tell them, what's your truck number? They truck number? Oh, well, no, it's a Peterbilt. So that's how you catch them in the lie. That no, motherfucker, you better get the fuck out of here, dude. Thieving and shit. Scallywags are real. They ain't no joke. Yeah, so you can get the cookie. I said, "Yeah, that's okay." I had a buddy of mine call me yesterday, and I guess he was hearing the news how Bitcoin was going down, and then so he calls me up and just chatting, and then he's like, "Yeah," he's all like, "Man, it's a good thing I didn't buy into crypto when you told me." And I was like, "When I told you?" I was like, "Motherfucker," I was like, "When I told you, it was at fucking $33,000." I was like, "You still would have been up, stupid." Like, well, I mean, it's going down. I was like, "Yeah, but it went up ever since I told you." Trying to fucking pull it back. I'm telling you, dude, when shit's going downhill, they all want to fucking call you and make fun of you and shit.
Yep. But when it go up, they all just shut up and just like nothing happened.
Oh yeah, they don't even want to come around you because you're gonna throw it in their faces.
Yep.
No, he tried calling me to fucking try to poke fun. I was like, no. I was like, when I told you that shit was at its lowest from its all-time high. Fucking doofus.
No Lambo rides for them.
Oh no, hell no, Okie. They're getting a smoke to the face from the butt, like bitch. Ooh man, it just sometimes gets to me, man. You know, they fucking, you tell them, you know, on like good faith type of deal, you know, like what you know a little bit like that I know. When I told them, I was like, hey man, you know, get yourself a little bit at this price, dude. You know, and when shit's going south, they want to come at you sideways and shit, dude. And it's like, man, I'm not trying to fuck you over, dude. I'm just letting you know, this is a good option, a good investment for you long term. They're so quickly to come out of the woodwork and be like, "Oh, it's a good thing I didn't buy."
I had a guy come up to me today. He goes, I told you. I said, what did you tell me? He said, I told you it's going to 26. I said, what are you talking about? He said, Bitcoin is going to 26. I said, you've been watching YouTube again, haven't you? Because I know you didn't pull this off your chart, some bitch.
So wait a minute,
He
they got
pulled it out of his ass.
I told him, I said, what if it does go to 26? What if it goes to 10? What are you going to do? He goes, well, if it goes to 10, I might buy one if it goes to 10. I said, if it goes to 10, I might buy 10.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's just, my whole thing is just, they just try to fucking slap you down, dude, when there's a market going down. And, it's like if they're waiting for it to go south so they could just, be like, I told you, it's like, man, like, just make your investment, dude. Jesus Christ, why you gotta go on to the fact of I told you, just fucking buy shit and you're gonna buy shit.
Yeah, exactly. If you're gonna buy it, buy it. If not, shut up. You don't even have any money in it.
Yeah.
Talking about it for 2 years, he ain't even got any money in it. I said, what happened when it was at 3,000 a year ago? I mean, why did you buy it then?
Yeah. Oh, man.
It struck a nerve. I only got 3 hours of sleep last night, so it struck a nerve.
those kind of people, I try to make the conversation on it very short and simple.
Yeah. Yeah, because you know it's already leading up to it. I already started feeling it, you know, with the first question that he asked, hey, so how you doing on your crypto? And I already knew where this fucking conversation is going. Mind you, at first we talked about, like, for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just about normal shit, see how everything was going in each other's lives. And then it's like, once you brought up that first question, so how you been doing on your Bitcoin? I was like, ding, ding,
The
ding,
truth's
ding,
coming
ding.
out.
There's
Hmm.
That's why you called me. You didn't call me to see how the fuck I was doing, motherfucker.
Yep. I mean, I got a couple buddies that are like that, you know. And while he out there trying to sell houses and stuff, they're struggling. I'm just doing my thing here. You know, I bought in early on Doge and stuff, so I'm doing good for myself. Told him to do it, but he didn't want to do it, so I'm start, you know, taking profit on my stuff. You know, he's like, man, he's like, dude, you making big bucks, this and that. It's like I told him, dude, scared money don't make money. You gotta have guts and balls to make money. You could have done it when I told you from the get go, but you didn't want to do it. You know.
Should show him your big old, show him your stash of almond joys. Say, look at all this. You could have had all of this right here.
You could have had all these nuts in your mouth.
Exactly.
Got a whole pantry full of.
I told him, man, you see my new bow, my new equipment, this and that. You know, that's all from crypto right there. I just told him that. All my toys are coming from crypto. You know, there's a lot of people like that out there. You know, you have information you want to share with them. You know, they don't want to do anything, but they're calling, check up on you, see how you're doing, or this and that. Like, I rest my case.
Yeah. I just personally think, you know, whether you buy at the 60,000, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, don't matter. I think you already have a leg up on life by buying into this space. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't buy in on, don't throw your whole life savings and your house, your mortgage and shit into it. You know, but just have some money there, man. You know, and
yes, that is, you know, you're right, and you would that's why I don't mix, you know, I don't take my play money, you know, I don't mix it up with my my other financial for the house. I open a separate account just for crypto. My other account with me and my wife, we just keep it two separate accounts.
Yeah.
I'm like a squirrel. I like to bury my nuts all over the place.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I like to just use 20% of my yearly earnings. That's it. I think that to me is a safe spot for myself. It leaves everything else for bills and whatnot. 20% I could afford because I already, as it is, I already spent fucking money on some stupid shit.
Mm-mm-mm.
I mean, shit, I fucking spend fucking like, you know, and upwards of to like $300, $400 depending on the right fucking console and shit for fucking games.
So you spent $2 on almond joys yesterday. I mean, golly.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's like
that's what it came out to. That's what it came out to, dude. It came out to $1.80 something.
That was 1,000 Shiba, man.
No, and I got my Shiba already. I mean, you could only accumulate so much. You know, you can't own them all. This ain't Pokemon. Gotta catch them all.
Yeah.
Future, like 10 years from now, and then come back and tell y'all, hey man, Bitcoin is gonna be at fucking like at let's just say, I'm gonna give it a good. I'm putting in the factor where the math